Hari Om, Namaste friends. Hope you're all doing happy, healthy and in the best spirits. Here I am also doing good as always. My third YouTube video demonstrated the best yoga postures for stress relief. Today's YouTube video focuses on the best pranayama technique to help you deal with stress and anxiety. Now, pranayama is often practiced before and after yoga postures as well as meditation. But what is actually pranayama? Pranayama is a conscious control of the breath that infuses fresh life into your yoga practice. After all, the purpose of yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corners of your body. Now this is achieved solely through pranayama. Now let me explain the basic concept of pranayama. Pranayama can be divided into two parts, two roots, prana and ayama. Prana is the vital energy or basic life force. It is the it is the basic life force that is existent in me, in you, in all the living beings throughout the universe. It is more subtle, it is more lighter than the air we breathe, than the oxygen we inhale. And it is existent in all beings throughout the universe. And ayama, the second part of the word pranayama, is ayama. Ayama is the expansion or the extension of the breath. The extension, the expansion of the breath. So pranayama simply means the expansion of your breath with full consciousness, with complete awareness. Now the goal of pranayama is to strengthen your body-mind coordination so as to help you flow more gracefully into the yoga postures. When your breathing is steady, stable, calm and aware, then it is only then that you can master your yoga postures and even stay in each yoga posture for hold each pose for a longer duration. Now today's pranayama technique which I have chosen for stress relief is the Nadi Shodhana pranayama or the energy channel purification. Nadi means the energy channel, Shodhana means purification. So Nadi Shodhana pranayama or energy channel purification pranayama is the technique we are going to talk about today. Is the technique I am going to explain to you today in a very simple video. So please stay tuned and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave your precious feedback in the comment section below. So enjoy and happy breathing. Hari Om. Continue watching. Let us get ready for Nadi Shodhana pranayama. Just be very mindful. Sit in Sukhasana or a steady, comfortable position. Close your eyes. Notice your breathing for a few moments until you feel completely relaxed. You feel centered. Now you are ready to start your pranayama practice. Adopt the Nasagra Mudra or the nose tip position. Hold the fingers of your right hand in front of your face. Rest the index and middle fingers gently on the eyebrow center. The thumb is above the right nostril. Ring finger above the left. The little finger is comfortably folded beside. Now close the right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through the left nostril. Mentally keep counting 1, Om. 2 Om. 3 Om. While inhaling comfortably, breathe slow, breathe long, and breathe deeply. Now, close your left nostril with the ring finger. Release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril. While exhaling through the right nostril, count 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om. The time for inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Please bear this in mind during your Nadi Shodhana practice. Next, inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count in the same manner as I explained. At the end of the inhalation, close the right nostril and open the left nostril. Exhale through the left nostril, counting just as before. This is one round. Practice at least 5 to 10 rounds. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama has a lot of benefits. Firstly, it balances your breath. So automatically it calms you, relieving stress, anxiety. Secondly, it improves concentration and focus. You will be able to focus on your studies, your job, or your professional and personal commitments a lot better if you practice the Nadi Shodhana every single day. The breath ratio of 1:1 calms the brain and the heart. Thus, this pranayama technique is very effective for people with cardiovascular and nervous disorders. The flow of breath in both nostrils become more and more balanced. Now this invites a unique sense of tranquility within your mind. Thus, your mind is more peaceful, joyful, as compared to what it was before you practiced this pranayama procedure. Stress is an unavoidable part of our lives. However, we can beat stress, beat anxiety with regular practice of the energy channel purification or Nari Shodhana Pranayama. However, you should not practice the Nari Shodhana if you are suffering from colds, flu, or fever. Breathe long, deep, and slow during the practice, and be very mindful of your breathing, each inhalation and exhalation. Now relax. Namaste.